Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x26R Rider Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Okay, so right here in the middle of the brush deck is your solenoid. So we need to replace the solenoid. Here's how you do it. You've got two nuts and bolts right here that are 8mm. You need to remove those first. It's a little tricky. And it is a lot easier if you take the side skirts off, take the brushes off, and drop the deck. Okay, now that we have the bolts and nuts removed, now we can remove the solenoid from the deck and pull the out hose off of the back side of the solenoid. Just like that. Okay, so now that we have the hose detached from the outlet side, we are going to detach the hose from the inlet side. Tuck that back in there. Okay, now that we have the hose detached, what we want to do to unplug the solenoid is we're going to have to get up into the control panel, cut some zip ties so that we can expose the butt connectors. Now, on the control panel plate, there are 4 Phillips head screws, 2 on each side that you got to remove. And now you can pull down the panel. Okay, so inside the control panel, you will see a cluster of wires right here that are zip tied. Go ahead and cut the zip ties, and then you can take your solenoid wires like that and unplug the butt connectors. Feed those wires back through, and there is your solenoid. Now, to reinstall your solenoid, take your new solenoid, slide it underneath the machine here, and feed your wires back up. And now we can plug your new solenoid back in. Now what you want to do is be sure to go ahead and reattach the zip ties. Like so. Now, after you've replaced all the zip ties, you want to be sure to replace the front cover. And then tighten these screws back down. Okay, now take your new solenoid and attach the inlet side of the hose. And now you can attach the outlet side of the hose. Just like that. Now that we have these hoses attached to the solenoid, you want to go ahead and use those nut and bolts to attach the solenoid to the deck. Now we've already got them started here, so now all we have to do is tighten them down. Okay, make sure they're good and tight, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.